Hi, I'm Coy Watkins with American Implement in Hugoton, Kansas, and today I'm going to talk to you about setting up documentation on a new Gen 4 display using the display and command arm simulator on myjohndeere.com. And you get to that once you log into My John Deere by scrolling down and picking this tablet right here. But I already have it open, so we'll jump in there. Something new about the Gen 4 display is all of our setup for documentation is found in one spot. So we'll click on that bottom left hand tab, and the first thing we'll set up is our client form and field. Go in here to view all, edit clients, and we're going to add a new client. I'll use AI. Press OK. Farm, edit farm, new farm, and we will name it Hugoton. Save that, and for field we will call it Southwest 1, 2, 3. Once we have that set up, we can go into the equipment. We already have our tractor here, and we'll add an implement, new profile. We can add a planter, and we can look here. We don't have a rate controller, no cart. Here's where you would put in your lateral offsets and your offsets for section control. For operation, we'll put planting seeding. Put in our working width. You can either do that by rows or by feet, like I did. We can row 30. Sorry. Save that. Put our work point. I'll just say 10 feet for this. Choose our work recording, which would be our implement switch closed. Choose our connection type, 3-point non-pivoting. If you had a receiver mount, you'd choose this here and put in your offsets for it also. If you miss anything, it will let you know, and you can go back and clean that up. There we have a planter. We'll put in our variety here. We can name it anything. We'll say seed corn. Save that. Put in our rate. And there we are set up to document with our planting operation. Thank you for listening. Like I said, this is Coy Watkins with American Implement in Hugoton.